Hi and welcome to another Mustad tips and tricks video. Today it's going to be quite a simple trick of how to find the centre of two pieces of steel. So we've all been there looking in the van for some steel and we don't have a ruler. How do we find the centre? I've got two pieces of steel here, 32mm 20 by 10, and I don't seem to be able to find my ruler. So put the steel back to back. Try not to guesstimate centre, it's going to make it a little bit harder. So come way off centre and put a straight line through the two pieces. Turn one piece round, which makes the lines come way off centre, and then go back to back, which is as easy as that. And where then two lines diverge, that will be centre of steel.